Tawakkul, or having faith in Allah, is a cornerstone of our belief. It means trust and confidence. One of the hadith states, if you rely on Allah as you should rely on, then Allah Almighty will provide for you as He provides the birds that go out hungry in the morning and return full in the evening. Therefore, a person should adopt lawful means and measures, but place his faith and trust only on Allah Almighty. Follow the Sharia, fulfill the commands, and avoid the prohibitions. A student of class 8 is all set to deliver the speech, and the topic is Tawakkul. May I call upon Afia for this wonderful speech.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, I, Afia Inam of class 8, is here to deliver a speech on the topic Tawakkul. Tawakkul is an Arabic word that means to put trust or rely. In Islam, it's a core component of faith that represents the belief that Allah is in control of everything and that humans should give their best effort while trusting in Allah's plan. Sometimes we get disheartened about certain situations in life. If something doesn't happen according to our plan, we question Allah's will, that why it's happening with us or why me. To which Allah says in Surah Yunus, ayat 62, ألا إن أولياء الله لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. Unquestionably, for the allies of Allah, there will be no fear concerning them, nor will they grieve. Sometimes we humans often worry about future, like what if our business won't flourish? What if I'll get sick? Or many things like that. It's often seen that we also regret about our past, like maybe I could have done this or that to prevent something from happening. To this, Allah says that my believers should not be worried about the future and should not grieve about the past and should trust Allah's plan completely. Humans should have a firm belief that whatever is going to happen, it will be according to Allah's plan, and He is the best planner. Allah says in the Quran, قُلْ لَن يُصِيبَنَا إِلَّا مَا كَتَبَ اللَّهُ لَنَا هُوَ مَوْلَانَا وَعَلَى اللَّهِ فَلْيَتَوَكَّلِ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. Say, only what Allah has decreed will happen to us. He is our master. Let the believers put their trust in Allah. In Surah Tawbah's last verse, Allah says, فَإِن تَوَلَّوْا فَقُلْ حَسْبِيَ اللَّهُ لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا هُوَ عَلَيْهِ تَوَكَّلْتُ وَهُوَ رَبُّ الْعَرْشِ الْعَظِيمِ. If they turn away, prophets say, Allah is enough for me. There is no God but Him. I put my trust in Allah. He is the Lord of the mighty throne. When we put complete trust in Allah and in mind, we know that Allah is capable of everything, then we should not tell Allah how big our problems is. Instead, we should tell our problems that how big or how capable our Allah is. In other verse of Surah Furqan, Allah says, وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى الْحَيِّ الَّذِي لَا يَمُوتُ وَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِهِ. Put your trust in the living God who never dies and celebrate His praise. Whenever a calamity comes in our way, we should never think, I can't endure this pain, or why has Allah put me in this misery? As Allah has already said, لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. It's okay. It's okay if we are scared or having sabr is getting tough for us. During hardships, we should keep telling ourselves, Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin, Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. Indeed, Allah is with those who are patient. Every person on this planet is fighting with their secret battles. No one in this world is free from problems. So we should never compare our lives with others and should put our complete trust in Allah, that sooner or later He will definitely give us peace and tranquility. And even if our duas are not fulfilled, we should never question His plan. Maybe what we want is not good for us. Maybe Allah has planned something better for us. وَمَكَرُوا وَمَكَرَ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ. We plan and Allah plans. Indeed, He is the best planner. So today, let's promise ourselves that whatever will happen, we will never question His plan and endure whatever will come in our lives with sabr and shukr. And at the time of calamities, we should recite this dua. اللهم انصرنا فإنك خير الناصرين وافتح لنا فإنك خير الفاتحين. O Allah, give us success as you are the best granter of success, and open the doors of blessings for us as you are the best of the openers. Jazakallahu khaira, may Allah reward you good.